I just stumbled upon a fascinating statistic. Did you know that over 70% of people who achieve their weight loss goals also notice a significant improvement in their skin health? It's no wonder, then, that people are raving about the gelatin trick, a simple daily ritual that's not only helping them drop that heavy feeling, but also giving them a radiant glow. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for a few weeks now, swears by its ability to transform her skin and strengthen her nails, and I have to say, the difference is pretty striking. As researchers say, incorporating gelatin into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall wellness, from improving digestion to boosting collagen production. The gelatin trick, in particular, is a game changer for those looking to wake up without the bloat and feel more confident in their own skin. By making this simple gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, you can start to notice changes in your skin and nail health, like my friend has. If you're curious to learn more about the gelatin trick and how to get started, be sure to check out the link in my description below for a detailed guide. You can also find more tips and tricks in the pinned comment. Just click and get ready to glow with the gelatin trick.